Hey everybody, so this week we're changing it up a little bit. I know I post a lot of makeup, but for those of you who didn't know, I also own a business and I do a lot of creative stuff too. For this first DIY, I want to show you something that took me a long time to figure out and a lot of trial and error. That would be, are you ready? How to make stickers on your Cricut cutting machine. I finally found the way I like to do it and I wanted to share it with you all so you can make your own stickers at home, but not my designs. Those are my designs. You can buy those though. Shop link is down below if you want to get yourself some of my stickers. All supplies I used are going to also be in the description, so go ahead and check those out. Let's get right into it. As far as supplies go, you'll need your Cricut machine. I'm using the Cricut Maker. Self-adhesive laminating sheets from Avery and vinyl matte sticker paper. You'll need a ruler and a pair of scissors. First, you'll want to open up Cricut Design Space. Once that's open, go ahead and select this sticker sheet that you've already created that you want to turn into your stickers. You'll want to pick your inkjet printer. I'm using the Canon Pixma TS5 300 series printer. God, that was a lot to say. Then you'll take your vinyl matte paper and just put it through the printer. Next, we'll be taking our laminating sheets. This is kind of hard to explain, so just bear with me. On the little piece of paper that says peel here, I just fold it and peel it off. Then I flip that over and kind of put it towards the edge of the sticker paper. Flatten it down. This is where you'll use your ruler. You'll need a straight edge of some kind to help push that paper down flat against your sticker paper. So take that laminate sheet, fold it back, and kind of fold it as you go and smash it down. Then tuck your flat edge underneath and just kind of glide it a little bit. Once you've got it going, hold on to the back of the paper and keep sliding it. Try to keep even pressure so that it doesn't bubble underneath. I like to just go back over it and kind of flatten it out a little bit. That gets rid of some of the trapped bubbles. Use sharp scissors to trim along the edges to clean it up a little bit. Here's me just showing you again so you get a better image of what I'm doing. Plus I suck at explaining things.
What are you thinking? Apologize!
Now that we're all laminated, it's time to go back to the Cricut. My Cricut wasn't working on the computer for some reason, so I had to switch over to my phone. It's the same idea. I select I've already printed, then I go down to craft board because my knife blade sucks. I like to put more pressure just so that it cuts through the vinyl sheet. Smack that baby down, load it in, and let the Cricut do its magic. Hi, you've gotta love a good peel, right? All done, let's put these babies away. thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope you like your new stickers. They are waterproof. I have not tested them out in the sun yet, so I wouldn't recommend doing that or making them for outdoor because they are not UV protected. But I do know you can get laminate paper that is UV protected, so I haven't tried it out yet. Let me know if that works for you. And thank you all so much for watching. I cannot wait to bring you more content. I have more makeup looks coming soon, and I will be doing more DIY stuff that I come up with along the way. I have a video coming up soon about how to make customized vans with Cricut. Until next time, bye!